All right, welcome back. So in Scratch today, we've talked in the past that Scratch has a lot of amazing tools that you can use, specifically in the operators. And in this video, we're looking at how we can pick out what letter is at a certain location in a word. So let's say you have apple and you want to find out like what the second letter is, which would be the letter P. You can use Scratch to find that out, which is really an awesome tool to have. So we're going to go ahead and set this up. We're going to grab a space bar out here. When space is pressed, I'm going to go ahead and duplicate this and make a second one, because what I want to do is I want to ask a question, and we're just going to say give me a word to check. All right, so the real work is actually up here though. So what we're going to do is we're going to tell it forever, because we're just going to continually check, because we're going to keep adding more words to this. And we're going to go ahead and grab our say block right here. Now we're not actually going to say hello. What we're going to do is we're going to go to operators, and there's an operator down here, this right here where it says letter 1 of apple. If we drag that out, if we were to run that right now, it's going to ask for a word, but it will tell you that it's A. Okay, see how it displayed the A, so it ran. Now we're going to change this up a little bit. We're going to go to sensing here, and we're going to drag out our answer and place it right here. Okay, so instead of letter 1 though, that seems kind of, well, let's go ahead and run it and we'll see. Let's say we're going to do thing. It's going to tell you the letter T. Now, if we wanted to, we could say, let's look at the third letter of that word. Now, this is not like programming where it's the 0 location, which would be the first location. Scratch does it as just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. So the first location is 1. All right, so we're looking at the third location. So let's go ahead and we'll end this and press space bar. And let's use forever. Now it should be the letter R. And it is. Okay, so it picked out the third letter. And if I hit spacebar here, I can keep asking for more words. So I could do cat. That'd be a T, right? Maybe I want to do dog. And that'd be a G. And so, you can use this however you want, but it's a great tool to find different letters or the location of in a word. Maybe you're doing a bigger program and you're having it, find, in Java we call it substring, where you're looking at the individual letters of those words. This is essentially what this is doing, is using that to find the individual letter of a word. Okay, all right, so kind of a short video, but hopefully this helps you with your coding, and good luck.